Welcome back everyone. You may have just updated to Windows 11 and you may see that your camera or your webcam is not working with Windows 11. Now the first thing I would recommend doing is figuring out if your webcam is actually implanted inside of your laptop or your desktop, or if it's a third-party webcam. If it's a third-party webcam, you may even want to check that it's compatible with Windows 11, and that's really the first thing that Microsoft recommends you to do. So what you want to do is you want to go either find the packaging of your webcam, or you want to look up your webcam model on your computer, and you want to see if it's compatible. If it is not compatible, you are pretty much either going to wait until it's compatible if there's a software update, or you're going to have to buy a new webcam. However, if your specific camera is now working on your laptop, PC, whatever, and it pretty much says that it is compatible with your Windows version, well, you want to make sure that there's no switch or button on your camera to actually, turn on that specific device. If you're rocking a webcam that has a dedicated button to turn it on or off, you want to go ahead and click that button and see if it works. Or if there's a little flap in top, or if there's a little flap in front of your laptop or something, you want to go ahead and, move that flap so then you can get that webcam going. Most of the time you should be good to go, and that's pretty much the main thing right there. Now on top of that, if that doesn't work, you may have to give those apps permission to even use the camera in the first place. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your settings panel, you want to click privacy and security, and you want to go click on the camera option. Now you want to give the apps that need your camera, the camera access. So applications like Google Chrome or whatever, you may have to go in there and actually enable and turn on the specific camera module. And once you do that, you should see that the camera should possibly be working as of this point. Again, it's not a guarantee, but most of the time this will end up fixing it. Another thing that Microsoft recommends you to do is to actually turn off any antivirus software. So for some reason you're running like AVG or McAfee or whatever other virus versions out there, you want to go ahead and turn those softwares off, and then you want to see if it's working. And I'm going to be honest, I think at this point you should be good to go. You can also try restarting your PC and different things like that. Finally, if none of those things work, I would probably recommend checking out a different webcam for the time being. So maybe try, a different webcam that you have, or if there's one laying around, or maybe even try that same webcam on a different PC that you have and see if it's working. I think a majority of the time, if there's any issues like this, you could be able to go ahead and actually see if your webcam is working, and I think you should be good to go for the most part. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.